Want to create magical story videos for kids without being an artist or a writer? Today, I'll show you how to combine the power of Chat GPT and Leonardo AI to bring your children's stories to life. First, head over to Chat GPT. Let's use a prompt like, write a short story for kids about a friendly dragon who learns to share his treasure. Feel free to tweak the prompt to match your desired story. Once Chat GPT generates your story, read through it, identify key scenes or moments that would make great visuals. For instance, the dragon finding the treasure, or the dragon sharing with his friends. Now, jump into Leonardo AI. This is where the magic happens. Visually explore the different AI models available. Dream Shaper or anime models can work well for kids' content. Craft a detailed prompt for each scene you've identified. Be specific. For example, a cute, friendly green dragon surrounded by glittering gold coins in a cave, happy expression, children's book illustration style. Experiment with different prompts to get the perfect look. Leonardo AI will generate several images. Based on your prompt, pick the one you like best, or generate more until you find the perfect image. Finally, bring your images and the Chat GPT story together in a video editor like iMovie or Filmora. Add narration. By recording yourself reading the story, sync each image to a corresponding sentence or paragraph. And there you have it. A captivating children's story video created with the help of AI. Get creative, experiment, and have fun. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI content creation tips. #KidsContentAI Team.